Annual Return of LLP, Form 8 of the financial year 2019 to 2020. Every LLP is required to file a Statement of Account and Solvency with the ROC within 180 days of the closure of the financial year. It means that the Form 8 for the financial year 2019 to 2020 must be filed before 30th October 2020. However, for recently incorporated LLP which got incorporated on or after 1st October 2019, the filing of Form 8 is optional for the financial year 2019 to 2020. What is Form 8 for LLP? Form 8 is the prescribed format to file a Statement of Account and Solvency with the Registrar of Companies or LLP. In this form, the LLP has to file key financial information and a declaration under the MSME Act. The process to file LLP Form 8 is as under. Check that the form is fully filled. Digitally sign the Form 8 with the DSC of the partners. If required, get Form 8 attested by Company Secretary. Perform a pre-scrutiny of the e-form. Upload the form at MCA portal. Pay the ROC fee. Update compliance record of the LLP and legal file. After your LLP has filed its accounts and statement of solvency to ROC in Form 8, check the SRN status at the MCA portal. Once the Form 8 gets approved, it means that the same has concluded successfully. Update your records and legal file with the following documents. Form 8, final form which was approved by ROC, fee receipt of filing the Form 8, attachment to the digital form such as list of MSME Declaration, financial statement of the LLP. For more detail, visit our website www.setindiabiz.com. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to get corporate updates from Setindiabiz. Setindiabiz. Business begins here.